BriefCam is the leading provider of video analytics software that enables people, companies, and communities to unlock the value of video surveillance content. BriefCam's video analytics platform provides valuable insights of accelerating investigations, increasing situational awareness, and in changing operational intelligence. From BriefCam, Mr. Nikolay Mitev, Regional Sales Manager, Eastern Europe and Turkey. Mr. Mitev, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you. You can share your screen with us.
I think now it's shared.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Then I will start. Thank you for opportunity to present BriefCam, and subject of the discussion and presentation will be safe and smart cities of today with BriefCam, technology and intelligence for driving safety and sustainability. This is the agenda, and myself, I am based in Sofia, Bulgaria, and responsible for Eastern Europe and Turkey. And I will provide you with a brief overview of the BriefCam, where we are positioning video management compatibility, and of course, safe and smart cities use cases. I will start with BriefCam, who we are and our vision. Our vision is video data is widely usable, accessible, and insightful for a smart and better world. And of course, our mission is to improve everyday lives by transforming video surveillance data into valuable insights. We enable people, companies, and communities to realize the value of their video through innovative solutions and powered by advanced technologies. Of course, with delivering with accurate, flexible, and comprehensive solution, BriefCam Video Analytics Platform provides valuable insights for accelerating investigation, increasing situational awareness, and enhancing operational intelligence. Company is founded in 2008, and we are pioneer in deep learning driven video analytics, and of course holder of patent technology called video synopsis. We have a global operation with offices in Boston, London, Abu Dhabi, Singapore, and R&D and HQ in Israel. And we recently opened office in Sofia, Bulgaria, mostly for developers. Of course, we have a global presence, and our customers are predominantly in safe and smart cities, law enforcement agencies, but recently we have increasing growth in retail, transportation, manufacturing, entertainment, and these are the verticals that we are very well presented. BriefCam was acquired by Canon Group in 2018, and we are together with Milestone and Axis Communications, but at the same time we have a separate management, and we are standalone companies into the Canon Group. Transforming video into valuable insights, which is searchable, actionable, and quantifiable. Our philosophy and our approach to the market is one platform, which is flexible and comprehensive solution. It consists of 3 modules. The first module is review, which accelerates investigation. It can provide you with quick review of hours of video and quickly finding object and person of interest. This is mostly for law enforcement agency and for forensic investigations. Response module, this is for attaining situational awareness, providing live alerts in real time. And the third module, it is research. It derives operational intelligence. It provides comprehensive dashboard for decision makers, for improving and to spotting any tendency in the operational level. Of course, these three modules can be bundled in different way in 4 products. The first product is a rapid review, which is only review forensic investigation, and it is connected to the VMS system, video management software. Investigator, it is the same, but it only forensic investigation review, which works only with video files, exported video files from any NVR. Insights consists all these 3 modules: review, respond, and research, and it is connected to VMS. And protect, it is the same like Insights, 3 modules, which is connected to the VMS, and of course it provides option for working with exported video files. The system can be standalone, multi-site, and of course on the edge. The benefits are innovative and comprehensive solution, which can deliver forensic investigation, quick live alerts, and research for deriving operational intelligence. Unmatched level of accuracy, superior performance, flexible architecture, and of course easy of use. This is the leading VMSs that we are supporting, and it can be connected to any of these VMSs: Milestone, Genetech, to a Vigilant. So we support mostly the VMSs that are presented on the market. If something is not supported, we are open for discussion for integrating any other system. How it works? When the first thing is to understand of the context of the picture, and then each object that is identified on the scene, it is recognized, extracted, and classified. All these objects with their attributes are saved into the form of the metadata, and all this metadata is saved in structured database, which every user can search and find each object based on the unique attributes of the object. And this is one example. So this lady can be easily identified on the complex scene when we select woman, bicycle, car, the speed, and of course direction of the movement of the object. Because all these unique attributes of each object is saved into database. Public safety, this is the high priority of each city authorities, and of course situational awareness, quick police investigation. This is the very high priority, and all these use cases can be delivered and utilized by authorities with BriefCam solution. These are some of our global customer safe city installations. So we have a presence in America, in EMEA, in APAC region, and these are some of our law enforcement installation all over the world. Again, America, EMEA, and APAC. And then I will move to the demonstration of the product. This is the interface of the software. It is web-based and it works with Mozilla, Google Chrome, and Microsoft Edge. So these are the three modules: review, which is forensic investigation; respond, which is real-time alerts; and research. I will start with forensic investigation module. What I wanted to show you, let me start with this case. And these are cases that are uploaded into the system for the demonstration purpose in our hardware. And here we can see the sources of files. Here are identified 847 objects, 272 objects, and so on and so forth. So in total, 4,982 objects. Here are the different filters that we can classify. And let's say we are interested of woman. And then the number of objects will be decreased from almost 5,000 to almost 500. Then we can select based on the personal attributes. Let's say white color, blue color, hat, and backpack. Apply. And here you go. We have only this lady is identified on this camera. We can click here on the synopsis. And here we have identified object with the timestamp. We can click on the object, identify object, go to the original video, and we can see exactly what happens on the event. Then I will go to this case. Just want to see, this is on the highway with a lot of movement objects. So I will click here to pause. And as you can see, a lot of objects that are moving vehicles with the timestamp. So we have one static background with a lot of objects with the timestamp that are moving. So we can select specific, let's say, pickup. And as you can see, the length of the event is quite long. It's 3 hours. From this, yes, it's 1 hour and 33 minutes. Then we can apply. And we select only pickup. From almost 5,000, it goes 390 objects are identified. And the video is shrink from 1 hour 33 minutes to 1 minute, because now we have only pickups that are identified. But we can select also color of the pickup. And we have only red color, but we can select also the direction or path of interest. So we can draw this line here, apply, and we have only these vehicles on this direction. And it is shrink to 7 seconds, only 9 objects. I will reset and I will go on another case. Law enforcement. So this is quite interesting. So I will select the source is only this. And here on this video, police has information that one of the houses is utilized as a drug distribution center. And how we can find it, it will take a lot of time and efforts for the police to find the house of interest. So we can quickly select only people, because people are those who are doing drug distribution. And from 4,353 objects, only 1,765 objects. The video is 12 hours. And from these 12 hours, it shrink to 17 minutes. But then we can select from visual layers, we can select activity. And as you can see, something is happening very suspiciously on this house. We can select also path. So you can see where people are moving and mostly use path for people. So this is the direction, and it's almost 300 people are going on this house. Then we can select path. Apply. And here you go. We have 249 people that are identified. We can zoom in. So this guy is bringing something very suspicious on his back. We can speed up if you want, so we can review very quickly. We can take snapshot. We can export this video with applied filters. Then we can also narrow down our choice. We can select personal attributes. So we are interested in a person who is upper wear black, lower wear blue, and then having a backpack to see what will happen. So only 6 objects, only 6 people are identified. Another thing that I would like to show you, so we can select van. And from 6,000 objects, it's identify 112 objects. Then we can select direction. Then we can select color. And then we can select speed, because this is also available. And here you go, we have it. So it is here. Also, we can click on the video synopsis. Then another case that I would like to show is traffic violation. Usually drivers don't like to follow the rules on the street, so we can easily identify illegal U-turn with BriefCam, drawing this path, apply. So we have how many? We have 31 vehicles recognized. Then out of these 34 vehicles that are recognized, we can click license plate, show the plates, and here you go, we have it. 17 are recognized. And we have the name of the camera, the vehicle, time and date of the event, and of course, recognized plate. We can search also based on the license plate, show the plates. We can select this one, add, and this vehicle is recognized once here on this street and once on this street. Also, with the LPR, we can search the plate, and we don't know the exact number of the plate, and we know that it is finishing on 53. So asterisk and then 53, add, apply, and then here we go. This is the plate that is recognized, finishing on 53, and it is identified 3 times. We support also face recognition. So all these filters are applicable. When the license is purchased, all these filters are applicable. We can select this person to see if his face is recognized. Yes, so face recognition is active. Then we select. Apply. And here you go, it is identified 6 times on this camera and once on this camera. Then I will go to respond. This is our real-time alerts. For real-time alerts, this is a response for real-time module. And we can, so this different rules that are created, predefined, and as long as any rule is met, it can trigger the alarm. So let's say illegal U-turn, apply, and here you go, we have it. How we can create rules. Firstly, add the rule. It can be real-time alerts, alerts that will be triggered 5 seconds after the events, smart alerts, which are triggered 30, 60 seconds after the event occurred, and people counting. So real-time alerts, it can be created. Then we can select the camera, the source. It can be continuous, run once, daily or weekly, continuous. And we can select class. We have people, two-wheel vehicles, and other vehicles. Then face recognition and count. So we can select two-wheel vehicles, let's say bicycle. We can select area. This is the area of interest, apply. And we can select count. As long as we have 5 times vehicles on this area for within 2 minutes, it will trigger our. This is one rule. We can create also smart alerts. Next, city road. Next. And then we have full class of full range of filters. We have classes. We can select, let's say, men. We can select any specific path, apply, and then personal attributes. We can select any personal attributes, and as long as this rule is created and met, it can trigger the alarm. And from here, smart alerts, then people counting, city road, again, and we can create area. Let's say this is the area of interest, apply, and we can put threshold either 5 people or 7 people, or and in 1 minute, and it can trigger the alarm. Or we can select below this number, so it's quite flexible. The third module, which is research. This is dashboard for providing decision makers with visualization of all data that is extracted for the identified objects on the video. By default, we have 20 dashboards that can be customized additionally, or it can be created completely new dashboards. They're configured based on the different vertical, let's say retail, smart and safe cities, and of course transportation for the airports. This is interesting dashboard. With this dashboard, if we have camera on the entry of any road and on the exit of the road, we can calculate average speed, and we have in total 1,503 recognized vehicles. Out of these vehicles are speeding 323 vehicles. Of course, this is the set the limitation. When we change the speed, of course, this information is automatically changed. As we can see, the most speeding vehicles are cars. And they're classified based on the type of the vehicles, average speed of time range, so 7 a.m., 8 a.m. Usually, as you can see, during the evening, due to the not very large traffic, vehicles are a little bit speeding up. So another dashboard, very interesting, is traffic violations. So usually, as you can see, jaywalkers are the most frequently met violator. So also wrong way and chevron crossing. Of course, these are the speeding car, speeding van. We can select here. We can view the data. Or increase. This is another dashboard that provides additional information. So road vehicles, total number, average duration on the road, the vehicle, pedestrian, they're categorized based on the gender, man, woman, child, average duration of the pedestrian. So this is the crosswalk they're moving. Of course, this is the different directions.
Mr. Mitev, one little notice, we have 3 minutes.
Okay, I'm
before
finishing.
the
So
end.
yes, I'm finishing. So this is another dashboard that shows all type of vehicles that are recognized, the color of the vehicle, the speed of the vehicle, and exactly the time when the event happens. So this is briefly, it is integrated with the VMS, different VMSs, of course, Milestone, Genetech, and all alarms that are triggered can go directly to the VMS. So if there is any questions, I'm open to answer.
Mr. Mitev, thank you. Very interesting presentation with all details that we had chance to saw. I have one question. How much video analytics depends on cameras, and does artificial intelligence can help to overcome it?
How much?
How
analytics?
much? I will repeat, no problem. How much video analytics depends on cameras, and does artificial intelligence can help to overcome it?
So how it is working our system, it is connected to the VMS, and we are not taking the stream directly from the camera. So we are taking the fetching the video from the VMS. It is processed, and then all data that is extracted, metadata of the object, it is classified, and then user can search. So this is very helpful, and all these filters are applicable with one license.